Heavy metals in formula? That can't be right, right? Yep, it's me again, Dr. Ford, your double board certified pediatrician and neonatologist, and this is the feed that you need. Let's start with the fact that breast milk is the best nutrition for babies. Think about it, nature has been perfecting this for millions of years. Now we also know that the baby formula is a healthy source of nutrition for millions of infants who do not get breast milk. Recently, I've heard some parents' concerns about heavy metals in their baby's formula, and I want to assure you that the trace levels of these metals are completely normal and safe for your baby. As a pediatrician, it's my job to work together with the government and formula manufacturers to make sure that the formula provides the best nutritional value and is safe for all babies. Did you know that heavy metals are found in breast milk? Yep, heavy metals are naturally occurring on Earth, and they are found in water and the soil used to grow food. Because of this, heavy metals are found at some level in nearly all foods and drinking water, including infant formula, baby food, even in breast milk. The goal really is just to keep the level of exposure as low as possible. Recently, infant formula samples from well-known companies, store brands, startups, and imported brands were tested for contaminants. In nearly all of the samples tested, the levels were within safe thresholds. If you have any questions or concerns about your baby's formula, do reach out to your pediatrician. They'll be happy to discuss with you how to minimize any possible risks for your baby. If this helped, check out my other videos before your baby wakes up in 3, 2, too late.